Hey Josh, Brad here with your Moon Patrol board. Got it all wrapped up for you. Real quick, I'll go over it with you. So the two sound encoders that you swapped out, here's the old parts by the way. These two are Chinese knockoffs, no good. I put a couple good ones in. Again, if you send me your originals back and they work, I'll credit you for those or just send you the PayPal money. You did have one bad IC right here. 74LS138. It's a buffer. That was probably the main cause of the soundboard not working. We went through and changed all the electrolytics on here. There's a ton of them. You can see in the pile over here, there's quite a few. A couple of them were recently changed. I left those, but all the other little ones, so the sound quality is really good. On the MPU back here, I also changed a couple in the back that were original as well. Electrolytics are kind of like tires on a car. They just, wear out over time, especially some of the real early ones from the 40s and 50s. They hold up better, but these aluminum electrolytics, the electrolyte dries up and the rubber seals fade on them. I also cleaned the edge connector real good. I put some pictures of that and polished the board up. You were also missing a standoff here on the soundboard. Put new ones in for that. So she's good to go. I've got it. There's a dip switch on the board that I have set for diagnostic mode. So I'm going to boot this up on my bench. What you're seeing here is just some artifacts from my CGA to VGA converter. So I've got a little remote power switch. So this comes up, if you flip that number 8 dip switch on row 2 up in boot, it'll go through and test all the RAM and ROM and allows you to run some other diagnostic tests. So it's testing all the memory now. Shows all the RAM is good, all the ROMs are good. So from here, I also have a PlayStation controller on my bench I can configure for any game, but we can drop in to all the different tests here. So if we go to sounds, this is just like your joystick you can do this with. And we'll move through the sounds. I'll probably turn the volume up a little bit. Yeah, the sound is really nice and crisp. Explosion. So all the sounds are good. Again, we can drop back. There's some other modes in here. You can look at just some image characters up here, test all the graphics are working. If you go into colors, you can do some color bars here, get a solid red if you're going to set your purity on your monitor. And then if you go to beam adjust, this gives you nice grid lines for setting convergence on your monitor. Again, most people are using a TPG or something like that, one of the JSON that can put all these diagnostic images on your monitor. So what I'll do here is I'll power off the board, show you here where that dip switch is. It's right back under here. Just put it back down to off. So now when I boot it, it should boot right in the game. These iRIM boards boot really quick, as you know. So I just hit power, comes right up. I'll coin it up, hit start. So everything looks good, it's playing real good. No issues at all. Got me. So anyway, it's good to go. I let it run overnight as well. Sound is really solid on it. So I will box it up and get it ready to come back to you.